Salibonani siyaqhubekela phambili ngama reciprocals of numbers. Namhla we want to demonstrate ukusetshenziswa kwama reciprocal tables. Last time besicalculate sebenzisa calculator lezinye indlela ukucalculate ama reciprocal previous lesson. But le lesson yanamhla sifuna just to show ukusebenzisa reciprocal table. If into efana nale, it has got columns and rows and a lot of numbers. So let's take for example reciprocal ka 1,0 siyayazi ukuthi ngu1. So there is the answer ngu1. Eka 2,0 we know ukuthi ngu 0,5. Nansi yani answer ngu 0,5. But let's check eka 8,4 to your right there. Answer ngu 0,1190. As long as in between 1 to 9,9 your answer will be 0, something. For example 2,3. Where is 2,3? We check the x row. 2,3 answer yetu 2,30, so we check under there and do 0 we get 0,4348. Next one 2,89, we know our answer must be 0, something because that number is between 1 and 9,9. So let's go to 2,8 there on the x column, and then the next columns we look for 9, and then under 9 where it coincides 2,8 we have got 34 60, so our answer becomes 0,346. But let's say sifuneka 289. We use the same procedure indlela esithole ngayo eka 2,89, but we can see ukuthi 289 is 100 times, so i-reciprocal yakhe iba ngu 100. We divide reciprocal ka 2,89 ngo 100, sesithola 0,00346. Then let's look at ega 40,37. We go as if we are looking for ega 4,037. So on the x column we get 4,0, and then we go under 3 we get 2481. Sesiyibhala phansi number le 2481 siyigcina. Sesibuya ngoba sikaqedi safuna ukuchecka ka 7. Sesibuyela kuma table sichecke lapho kubhalwe subtract differences, uzathola ukuthi kulo 7. Then u7 lapha coincide khona lo 4,0, column ka7 lapha coincide lo 4,0 siyathola ukuthi kulo 4. Kuthi ukuthi we subtract 4, labona phezulu kubhalwe subtract, we subtract 4 from 2481. Then sesithi 2481 minus 4 siyathola u2477. But singathola u2477 asikaqedi. Isifuna i-reciprocal ka, so i-reciprocal ka 4,037 fana lokuthi ngu 0,2477. But how about eka 40.37? Si multiply ngo 10 u 4,037. So it means i-reciprocal ka 40,37 si divide ngo 10. I-answer yethu siba ngubani ngu 0,02477. Then let's check i-reciprocal ka 0,67. Siyachecka under u6,7, x column 6,7, and then lo 8 sithola 1475. Sesiyibhala phansi ngu 1475, but that's not the answer. I see answer sifuna, but let's just use the common sense. I-reciprocal ka 0,5 ngu 2, so it means i-reciprocal ka 0,678 ngu 1,475. So amanye ama scenarios afana lalawa you use just your common sense uzibuza ukuthi okay la i-reciprocal ka 0,4 chuthi iseduzana ka reciprocal ka 0,5. So indlela osebenzisa ngayo ama tables. Otherwise if you are allowed